Alright guys, welcome back to Death by Boost. I'm here at Craig's house.
What's up guys?
So we got to thinking the other day, what would be really fun to do with DeathKart? Shoot fire?
Yeah. So, here's the treat.
What'd you get me?
Got a vacuum actuated dump valve.
Okay.
Unfortunately it's backwards, but we can modify it. I just have to flip this arm over. But I'll show you where we're gonna put it on here. So we're just gonna tee in right here to the exhaust. So we're gonna notch this out and tie into here with a little tip. It's gonna be a little off from this tip, but that's okay. I'll modify that later. And then we just need to run a vacuum line from here over to the
blow-off valve?
Yeah, blow-off valve. Jeez, I can't talk today. But let's get to it. All right, so what I have to modify on here, it's normally closed. So when the car is sitting there idling, this is actually gonna be pulled in by vacuum, but the way this was set up is in the wrong direction. So need to grind that weld off and flip this over to the other side. Well, hello guys. Got powered up. Last time, Cole, things get hot.
Things do get hot. You just want to drill it out?
Now look.
Ah, it's already there. Look at, wait. Oh, yeah.
Bam. And just put it like, bam. That's all. Let's file this out a little bit so it doesn't, it's easier to press in there. Cool. Actually, I can probably press it in.
I was going to say, it's actually probably tight, huh?
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
This might not be too hot. Give me a flavor.
You actually probably could just tap it back on. Pretty much, right?
Yeah, tappy.
Let me hold it.
Where's the little grilly hammer? Here we go.
Oh,
Bingo.
beautiful. It doesn't get better than that.
Yeah, just weld that up real quick. This will be easy to weld. All right, so we got it all modified. She's ready to go. This is what it's gonna do. So when you put your foot in it, the vacuum's gonna be pulled off. Boom, she'll open up.
Then when vacuum is applied, closes.
Closes.
It's closing at about what, 10, 12?
Yeah, about 12
12?
inches, yep.
Nice.
Heck yeah. All right, so we got the hole cut in the exhaust here. Cole's working on the turn down. Oh, more like turn out. And then got this welded up, which is gonna fit right up to the exhaust. Still kind of hot, so it's hard to handle. But something kind of like that. I'm gonna weld that up here and show you our progress. All right, guys, so we already got it put on. It's time to fire it up and see if it works.
Cool, start with the dump.
We promised fire. We got fire. Well, man creates fire once again. We promised it and it happened. There she is. We gotta throw some paint on it, fix that flap a little bit, but this seems to be awesome now doing two-step.
I'm about to do it a little bit later somewhere else. Some neighbors are a little upset.
But anyways.
Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe. And
Thank
we'll
you.
catch you next time. Thanks.
See you guys.